Hello friends! Today we are going to design a simple logo within 2 minutes. Let's start. First, take rectangle of 1920 by 1080 pixel. Now, Allen's it with artboard. Lock this layer by pressing Ctrl+2. Now, select Type Tools and type GD with Roboto bold fonts. Increase the font size by pressing Shift-Alt. Create outline and ungroup the GD. Now, adjust G and D by direct selection tool. Select G and D. Now, build shape by using Shape Builder tool. Now pick Color by Eyedropper tool and change the color of G and D. Select Type tool for type brand name with orthography font. And change the color of white. Now, select GD and make a group, and also select Golden Duck and Allen's. Click on GD, Effect Stylize Drop Shadow, and press OK. Increase the size of Golden Duck drop shadow with similar process. Finally, our logo is ready. Thank you, everyone.